Do you want your sleep to be a lot more natural and quieter every single night? If you have ever woken up more tired than when you went to bed because your Cpap machine feels like a brick or sounded like a leaf blower, or fought against your breathing all night long, this Snore Circle YA50 Pro portable Cpap machine and auto Cpap machine might just solve your sleep issues. It's compact, whisper quiet, and it's designed to help you breathe smoothly and sleep soundly wherever you are. Listen how quiet it is. My microphone is right next to the machine. This little powerhouse is built around one simple idea: to breathe smoothly and sleep soundly every night. It's super compact, comfortable, and gives you peace of mind when you're at home, in a hotel, or anywhere on the road. And setup is super easy. You just connect one end of the hose to the Cpap machine and the other end to the mask. Make sure it clicks in. And then all you have to do is put on the headgear, connect it to the mask, and then just use the adjustable Velcro straps for a nice secure fit. And the unit has lots of great features like pressure ramping and a great smart app. This unit is really different. Look at its size. And it has a nice long hose. The YA50 Pro weighs just 450 grams or less than 1 pound, and it's about the same weight as a soda can. And the footprint is tiny, 150 by 98 by 62 millimeters, or 6 inches by 4 inches by 2.44. IPA rating of 22, so it's protected from dust and accidental drips, making it perfect for travel too. And inside this small body is a quiet 2.0 low noise blower that's engineered to run at whisper quiet levels. So if you've ever struggled with loud machines, you'll appreciate this one for sure. Now, let's talk about what makes this device super special. Well, first, it's got multi-stage pressure adjustment. The ramp up feature gradually increases the pressure so you fall asleep comfortably. Once therapy has begun, you get 3 levels of pressure, plus an auto mode if you choose, so breathing feels more smooth and natural. The fully automatic operation starts when you breathe in, and it stops when you take the mask off. No buttons, no fumbling in the dark, nothing like that. And in the therapy modes, you get both Cpap and auto Cpap, with a pressure range from 4 to 20 cm H2O, or centimeters of water pressure, which is the amount of airflow needed to keep your airway open while you sleep. And there's even smart reminders for the filter, mask, and tubing, and when to clean it. The device keeps track of everything for you right on the app. Open the Snore Circle app and tap Bluetooth, and it'll connect instantly. Nothing complicated at all. From here, you can customize your ramp time anywhere from 0 to 60 minutes, and you can adjust pressure relief. And here's the absolute best part. Even if you don't use the app overnight, the device still saves all your sleep data automatically. When you wake up, connect to the app and you'll see a full therapy report. Pressure curves, usage time, breathing patterns, and more. The report is clean, easy to read, and perfect for sharing with your clinician. So if you're ready for a Cpap machine that's quiet, comfortable, fully automatic, and travel-friendly, the Snore Circle YA50 Pro is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your sleep health and your partner's. Breathe smoother, deeper, and wake up restored. Take control of your nights once again.